Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and removing distractions. Make sure the Redmi 9 has above 20% battery and no plugged peripherals. Once done, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. This is faster than guessing. Tap Restart first. Sometimes a simple reboot exits safe mode. If Restart is missing, power off fully, wait 10 seconds, then power on while watching the bottom left screen for safe mode text so you can intervene immediately. If the phone still boots into safe mode, you need to force a normal boot and remove the cause. Power off, then press power. When the logo shows, release power and quickly press volume up to interrupt safe mode boot. Timing matters. Once you reach the home screen, go to Settings Apps, sort by recent installs, and uninstall any apps installed right before the problem. This removes software triggers so subsequent boots will stay normal. Finish by rebooting normally and confirming the safe mode label is gone from the bottom left corner. That verifies success. If safe mode persists, clear the system cache via recovery mode, or, if necessary, perform a factory reset after backing up your data. Factory reset resolves stubborn software faults. One troubleshooting tip: if safe mode still returns, test with a fresh user account or remove the SD card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.